2004 Outlander 400 with engine noise. I'll get this valve cover off and I'll explain. Here's what happens. These cam chains get all stretched out. Let's see what we can see down here, but in the cam chain tensioner, wait, where am I? Over here. It's maxed out. Can't control the chain anymore. The chain starts slapping and making that noise. So on the 400s, this whole side of the engine has to come off, which it's actually easier to take the whole motor out to replace the cam chain. So alright, I got the motor pulled out over on the bench. Side cover is off. I gotta get this chain out of here. We're gonna replace this one guide. This one's sandwiched in between up here, so we're not gonna replace that one. We got a chain and a new sprocket up here. Get that put on and back together. Much quieter.